This tutorial I'm going to help people out who do not want to use MetaMask but do want to be able to stake time. Download your Trust Wallet. Buy inside of the Trust Wallet. You simply click buy and a third party named Simplex will pop up. Once you go ahead and you submit your payment, obviously directly from a debit card or a bank account, Simplex will send you an email letting you know how much your purchase was and letting you know the destination of the crypto wallet. It does start with an OX, just so you know, as well as a payment ID that you see above, also blotted out. They said it would take about 4 to 8 hours for me to get for step 1, and it took me about 36 hours to be able to get my VAX over into my Trust Wallet. You'll see here it says that your payment is processed. In my thing now, it was time to move on to step 2, which I couldn't get. So I went into the Telegram support group for Wonderland. As you see here, I have about 4.58 AVAX. At the time, it was $409.32. Believe you me, it kept on dropping as I took my time figuring out what to do. So I went to Trader Joe XYZ. Now in a Trader Joe I mentioned before, I kept on getting this error. You're going to connect to an unsupported network. Please change your wallet's network to Avalanche when connecting. To know there's a scammer and to report him. And I even, was so frustrated I jumped on Twitter. And hey, Trust Wallet, what's up? Because all I could find on the internet was instructions on how to use MetaMask and to get my AVAX onto Trader Joe's to trade for time using MetaMask. As I said, I just don't like them stinking self, so I'm not gonna use MetaMask. You understand? Kind of let me wake up and say, okay, I'm not on the Avalanche network. So what do I need to get on that Avalanche network? I actually needed to go into the address and select and find the Avalanche coin that I did need. So upon the Avalanche network, now I was finally able to initialize and my wallet was able to connect inside of Trader Joe. So now I was able to, trade exchange for the time that you need to add a custom token for time so that when you do transfer it, you will see the time in your Trust Wallet. First you need to go up here in the upper right hand corner. Click that in your time and search. You won't see it, and that's why you have to add custom token. Once you do add a custom token, you're going to need their address, which again, it looks like a wallet address for Ethereum, even though it is on the Avalanche networks. It will start with a 0x because it looks similar to something on the Ethereum blockchain, even though this is Avalanche network or Avalanche blockchain. So the OX here, you find that by going to CoinGecko.com. Once you do arrive to CoinGecko.com, you need to click on the show information and then you will see the wallet address. Once you see the wallet address, you have to copy the wallet address, and then once you do that, you come back here and you paste it into the main wallet, right, for your D app, which is obviously Trader Joe's, right? And you're going to see time in there. Once you do this, you confirm it. Once you confirm it, it is going to go through. Eventually do see your time pop up. You are going to see that your AVAX was deducted, and you will see a smart contract call and the transfer of said funds. Finally get to step 3, put in staking the maximum amount to stake your time, right? Then you go ahead, approve it. You see my transaction was successfully sent. It says no, I'm gonna drop down to $4.65 of Avalanche, and it still shows me 0 time. Again, shows me 0 time, but I know that time is in a smart contract, and it is actually doing the job. It's a work for me. And as you see, it's a work for me to where in 365 days, the $371, again, the price kept on dropping. That $371 that I do have, it would it would actually bring me about $310,401.87. So, this is me yield me a return of interest over $250,000, up a little bit above 300,000. So it's definitely worth the time and aggravation to figure this out.